Taxi. Karen has just arrived in Atlanta. You will hear the conversation between Karen and taxi driver. Hi, miss. Where to?
The Sheraton, please.
Which one? There are 3 Sharatons here in Atlanta.
Oh, sorry. The Sheraton Century Center.
Okay, are you here on business or on vacation?
On business.
Right. Where are you from?
England.
England? Which part?
Winchester. Do you know it?
No. But I was in London last year. Great country.
Thanks.
Now Karen have arrived at the Sheraton Century Center. Well, here we are. This is the Sheraton Century Center. That's $16.80.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Hey, miss. This is $5 bill.
Sorry. I thought it was 20. There you go.
Thanks. Have a good stay. Well, if you like this videos, please subscribe to our channel and turn on all notification so the next videos is yours. Thanks for watching. Bye.